Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Electrolux customer service. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you want to do is head on over to electrolux.com.au if you're in Australia. And now from here, you want to click on the button that is called support at the top of the page here. So click on support. And then once you're on the support page, you'll see a contact us button near the top right hand corner of this page. So go ahead and click on contact us. And now they've got a contact us phone number we can call. So it's available 7 days a week, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. AEST, Saturday 9 a.m. to 2 p.m., Sunday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And that's the number here. Now, if you rather do an inquiry online, you can contact Electrolux 24/7. Send us your comments or questions. We're always happy to help. So if you want to click on inquire now, that will transfer you across to their customer service team.